Wow, Santa came. Look at all the Santa stuff.
Gregory got a volleyball.
Gregory, what did you get? Gregory, what did you get?
My knee pad.
What'd you
Oh,
get?
your knee pad.
My knee pad.
Knee pads for volleyball?
You got a new volleyball and knee pads for volleyball? Listen to that, Santa's great. Hey.
Put the wrapping
Where does
in
the
the
wrapping
put
go?
the wrapping in the bag.
Get out of here, people.
Put the wrapping in the bag so you don't get confused. Look, before you open anything else, take care of the wrapping.
Stop.
Okay, at the end you can take care of all the wrapping. Thank you.
What'd you get?
Whoa, what is that?
What is it?
Whoa, what is that?
Oh,
Headphones. Excellent.
Skull candy headphones. Those are the best things.
Whoa.
Those are the good ones?
A big covering baby with wrapping paper.
What do you think? Santa gets the bad ones?
No, Nathan
Those are
has
mine.
those. This is to me too.
what's yours? This is mine.
A basketball.
I know it.
Yeah, I know you knew it. Okay, fine.
All I need is this.
I
What
know
did you
it.
get?
I know it.
Computer
I know
paper.
it.